This is how to create 100 plus prayer videos in minutes, and honestly, it's a game changer. I will work you through it, so let's dive into the video.
You go straight to search bar. Okay, so when you get to search bar, what you're going to be searching for is prayer. Okay, tap prayer. So the reason why you're going to be tapping on prayer is because you're going to be finding the best niche, like the best prayer for that particular day or your particular topic for the day. So because this is what people are searching for, so what you need to do is choose anyone you like. So for this one, it says prayer no dey kilo, prayer chant, prayer instrumental or prayer rain, prayers by Apostle Johnson Sermon, prayer for mercy, prayer charge, prayer for. So just go and search. If you didn't see what you are looking for, you can type in prayer for, and you can see prayer for protection, prayer for work, prayer for mercy, prayer for new month. So prayer for the month of April. So for me now, I'm going to be taking this prayer for the month of April. Okay, I'm going to be clicking on it, and if you come down here, someone already, you can see how many views this person posted 13 hours ago. This person here posted 13 hours ago, and they already got 16k views. And this is powerful prayer for blessings through breakthrough through this month of April that we just entered. And you see them, a lot of them 14 hours ago, a lot of people are already making views. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to copy this prayer for the month of April. So you're going to copy it as a topic, then you go back to. So when you get to ChatGPT, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT, can you give me 10 variations of this topic? It should be emotional and SEO focused. Okay, so the reason why I'm using this particular prompt is because I want my own video to stand out and look more professional than the rest of other videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to be pasting my prompt, my topic. Okay, so you see prayer for the month of April. So I'm going to hit generate and wait for ChatGPT to give it to me. Okay, so God should, let's make this emotional, clickable, and SEO friendly. So as you can see, these are here are 10 powerful variations of prayer for the month of April. So you can see it has given me a powerful prayer for April. Start this month with God's favor and protection. April prayer for breakthrough. Speak this over your life today. This April prayer will change everything. Blessing, protection, and open doors. Prayer for April 2026. Dear God, take control of this new month. A deep emotional prayer for April. Let this month bring you peace and miracles. So you can choose anyone you want to choose. Okay, so for me, I'm going to be choosing let me look for the one, watch this before April begins, or a sincere prayer for April. God, please don't let me struggle this month. So I'm going to be taking this particular one. I like it. God, please don't. April prayer for protection and success. Cover me and my family, Lord. So I'm going to be taking this, a sincere prayer for April. Okay, I think I love this. So I'm going to copy it, and we are going to be generating our image. So before we generate our image, we are going to generate our script. Okay, so we are going to be entering this prompt, and if you need these two prompts right now, please let me know in the comment section. Comment prompt, and I'm going to be dropping it for you. Okay, so we are going to tell ChatGPT to generate this particular topic, that is the script of it. So you're going to be write a deeply moving spirit filled 600 words prayer based on this title. So you're going to be inserting your title here. Okay, so let me do that, and I'm going to be pasting the title we took earlier. So you're going to say for God's April. So let it overflow with raw spiritual uplifting, faith-filled and engaging that stirs the heart with strong God's presence. Okay, let me put God's presence. So you are going to be hitting generate and wait for it to generate. Okay, so if you're going to be needing this, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to be dropping the prompt. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT have given us the prompts. Okay, so this is it. You can also extend yours from 600 words to 1000 depending on what you want to create. Okay, so this is it. It has generated it and it's now time for us to generate the image prompt for this particular video, right? So next, you're going to be telling ChatGPT to give you, depending on the type of script you're creating. For me, I just want to generate this particular script once and for all. Remember, our aim is to create a mini, so I don't need to like generate one after the other. So let it just give us the prompt for 30 images, so you can choose how many images you want to go with. So we are going to be sending it out and let ChatGPT generate it for us. Okay, so it has shown you where you can actually generate these particular images. Okay, so here are the beginnings and all that. This 30 is still generating. Okay, so it's still generating and let's wait for it to, like, it has generated all of them. So what you're going to be asking ChatGPT to do now is to remove the subtitles and let them correspond. Okay, so you tell ChatGPT to remove the subtitles. Okay, so let's ChatGPT remove this subtitles, and so that it's going to be easy for you to copy and paste and generate it at once. Okay, so this is it. This is it from 1 to 30 images. So now here is the best part where you're going to be generating these images at once. So once you got your AutoWhisk extension, you click on this place. Okay, so tap on English and it's going to change for you. So you're going to be choosing the one you're going to be using. So this is the one recommended, so I'm going to be choosing the 7.60. okay, so it's going to bring us to this interface. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is you copy the link from ChatGPT. All the links you copied from ChatGPT. Sorry about the cough, that was a mistake. So copy the link from ChatGPT. This is it. Copy all this link from ChatGPT. Okay, copy it. Okay, after copying it, you go back to this place and you put in your prompt. Oh, this is me generating these images. Okay, so as you can see here, you will see where it says 2/30. I would have made a long form video about this, but I'm making this video in the midnight, so I couldn't continue with showing you people how to go about this. But if you want me to show you how to generate these bulk images, okay, you just, all you need is AutoWhisk, which is whisk extension. Let me know in the comment section and I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to use it. Okay, and how to get AutoWhisk for you to generate this image. Okay, so I'm going to like come back again after these images have generated in order to show you how far it was. Okay, so this is the video and it's basically working. So this is what it gave me. I guess it's still downloading. Okay, it's still adding up. This is the prompt ChatGPT gave it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can't finish counting. It is still downloading. So we wait for it to complete, and we are going to be moving to the next step. Which is search here, which is Meta AutoMeta extension. Okay, so with this one you're going to download it. So you're going to be installing this. Okay, so as you can see, you've installed it. Tap on OK. So this way is for those who don't have laptop that are using phone. Okay, sorry if my voice is too low. It's midnight. I'm trying to complete this video. It's getting too low for my liking. Okay, so we'll go back. You come to your three dots again. You come to your extension and you look for AutoMeta. So it's going to open to this list. Okay, you can always change to English. So once you have access your Meta Auto generate, you come here and pick all this. Okay, pick all the images you generated. So one thing I will tell you is, when generating these images, don't exit until the images are complete. So you click on done. Okay, so look at them. So what it's going to be doing is going to animate these videos. So what you're going to do is create video. I'm going to be telling it to make a video. Make a video with each picture, with each image. Okay, so you click on generate and allow it to generate. Okay, you're going to wait for it to generate. And one thing about it is, if it's generating, it's going to be downloading to your app once and for all. Okay, so it's generating, it's going to be adding up. So you don't need to suffer yourself creating each image. So you just do this. And so I found out this is going to be taking most of our time. It's going to be taking time for it to generate, and it has already generated one. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. So you can see that I've generated this one. We can play it. Okay, so I guess another one has generated. So this is it. This is how to generate all of them. So just give it time, and you just have to give it time, and they are going to generate all of them. Okay, so after generating, it saves in your phone. The next thing you're going to do is getting a voiceover. So after generating your videos, you go to your Chrome browser. And look for I guess it should be love voice. Okay, so I came across this particular voice to text to image, text to voice, or whatever, I don't know. text to voice, text to speech. Yeah, I came across it today and it really gave me joy. Okay, so what you need to do is go to ChatGPT. Okay, let me do this. Go to ChatGPT. You go to ChatGPT and you're going to be copying the prompts. Okay. ChatGPT. So you copy your prayer. So this is prayer here. You copy it. So it should be about 2,000 words. So you know how to copy it. If you get there and it says it's over, you can cut it. Okay. So just copy it and come to this place. Just that it had ads. I loved it. Today I used it. So you paste it. Okay. Let's see how many words it is. So let's see. It's 2,000 words. Okay. 2,000. So you come down here where it say United States English. So it depends on the English you want to make use of. You can choose. So I can choose Nigeria English. You can choose any other English. So this is male. You can come here and change to is in male or female. You can choose English language like American English, depending on the one you want to choose. Okay. So let me use this United States. Okay. So what you now do is tap on generate. So one thing I like about this app is that this website is very fast for generating. When it comes to generating, so you come here, you tap on it. So everything I've showed so far is free of charge, and I'm going to play this, download it, and please, if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please leave a subscription for me and we are good to go. Okay, so it's still downloading, I guess. So once you've generated your voiceover, you can use 11 labs to generate it. You can use Google text to speech on Google Studio to generate it. But this is what I'm going to advise you to generate it with. I don't know what's wrong with it though. You should have generated more than this. So you copy. This is what I used today to create my story, the story I made on my other channel. Okay.
Heavenly Father, I come before you with a heart that is tired, yet hopeful, weary, yet still believing. Lord, you see everything I've been through. You know the silent battles I don't talk about, the tears I wipe away when no one is watching, the weight I carry just trying.
So this is all about it. You just create it and it's going to read every single thing. Then you now place your images on what was it called, CapCut. You put your voiceover and you just edit on CapCut. This is all about this video. If you have a question, please let me know in the comment section and I'm going to be answering your question. Thanks for watching. Bye.